Hi, my name is Teacher Catherine, and I'd like to welcome you to my class today. Today, we are going to talk about something very interesting and at the same time very useful to the English language. We're going to talk about adjectives. What are adjectives? Suppose you are walking down the street and you see a puppy. How will you describe that puppy? Maybe you will say, the puppy is cute, the puppy is tiny, or the puppy is white, if the puppy is colored white. You can also say the puppy is furry. The words tiny, cute, furry, and white are all adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? Adjectives are actually words used to describe a person, a place, or a thing. Again, adjectives are words used to describe a person, a place, or a thing. Let's say, for example, you go to the mall and you see Katy Perry. Okay. What can you say about Katy Perry? Of course, you can say that, wow, she looks so beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective that you use to describe a person, and the person is Katy Perry. Suppose you are in a garden and you see a flower. You can say, wow, that's a beautiful yellow flower. So the words beautiful and yellow are both adjectives that you use to describe the flower. A flower is actually a thing. Let's say, for example, I show you a house and I ask you, what can you say about this house? You can actually say, the house looks old. The word old is the word you use to describe the house. Okay? And that is an adjective. So again, adjectives are words used to describe a person, a place, or a thing. Words like beautiful, cute, tall, short, fat, thin, or sometimes colors like orange, yellow, green, red, purple are all actually describing words. They are also called and considered adjectives. I hope you learned something today, okay? And I'll see you again next time. Once again, this is Teacher Catherine, and I'll say bye bye now. Thank you.